Hello friends, welcome to our channel Forensic Desire. Today we are going to discuss on Pakistan International Airlines flight number 8303 case study. So let's start. Introduction. International Airlines flight 8303 was scheduled domestic flight from Alam Iqbal International Airport in Lahore to Jinnah International Airport in Karachi, Pakistan. On 22 May 2020, the Airbus 8320 crashed in Model Colony, a densely populated residential area of Karachi, a few kilometers from the runway. While on a second final approach to Jinnah International Airport after a failed landing, there were 91 passengers and 8 crew on board the aircraft. 97 of them even were killed, while 2 passengers survived with injury. 8 people on the ground were also injured, and one of them later died. Accident background: date 22 May 2020. Site of plane crash: Model Colony near Jinnah International Airport, Karachi, Pakistan. Total fatalities 98. Total injury 9. Background of airlines flight 8303. Aircraft types: Airbus A320-1214. Operator: Pakistan International Airlines. IATA flight number PK8303. ICAO flight number PIA 8303. Call sign Pakistan 8303. Registration AP, BLD. Flight original Alam Iqbal International Airport, Lahore, Pakistan. Destination Jinnah International Airport, Karachi, Pakistan. Occupant 99, passenger 91, crew 8, faculty 99, injury 2, survivor 2. Details of accident: the flight pilot by Captain Sajid Gul and the first officer Usam Azam took off from Lahore shortly after 1 p.m. and was near the end of its 90-minute journey when it crashed at around 2:45 p.m. into the densely populated neighborhood of Model Colony, around 3 km from the airport. The aircraft wing were reported as being on the fire in the moment before the plane crashed into rooftops. The crash damaged buildings in the area, some of which catch fire. The crash was captured on video by a CCTV camera, which showed the craft just before crashing into the neighborhood. The pilot had made an entire aborted landing attempt. He later radioed aircraft control, reporting landing gear issue and the failure of the both engines. Confirmed to the pilot that he was cleared to use either the airport to runway, requesting confirm your attempt on belly. According to PIA CEO Azrad Malik, a technical fault prompted the pilot to make a go round rather than land, even though both runways were available to him. The pilot told the controller, "We are returning back, sir. We have lost engine." 12 seconds later, he declared a Mayday emergency, which was the final communication with the aircraft. According to officials from Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority, complication had arisen during the aircraft first descent. The landing gear was still in the retract position when the aircraft attempted its first landing. Friction mark on the runway suggested there had been some ground contact. At the runway 1400-meter mark, the plane left engine is believed to have scrapped the runway, while at the 1700-meter mark, the right engine made contact. When the pilot went around, it is believed damage had already been caused to both engines from this contact, leading to engine failure after the go around. This is turn made it impossible for the aircraft to maintain altitude, causing it to crash during its return to the airfield. This is supported by the conversation between the aircraft and air traffic control, which indicate that the aircraft was constantly losing altitude. Observe noted that the plane backup ram air turbine was deployed the purpose of which is to supply power to the airplane control system when both engines have failed. The Economic Times reported that the pilot had ignored warning from air traffic control about the height and speed of the aircraft on approx. At 2:30 p.m. the plane was 15 nautical miles from Karachi at Makil, flying at an altitude of 10,000 feet instead of the recommended 7,000 feet. When ATC issued its first warning to reduce altitude instead of descending, the pilot responded by saying that he was satisfied with the altitude. When only 10 nautical miles from the airport, the aircraft was at an altitude of 7,000 feet instead of 3,000 feet. ATC issued a second warning to descend. The pilot responds again by stating that he was satisfied and able to handle the situation and he was prepared for landing. The pilot had flying experience of 18,000 flight hours. The narrow street and alley compromising the air inhibited the rescue service. ISPR, the Pakistan military media wings, reported that Special Force of Pakistan and Pakistan Ranger had set up a cordon. Video footage of the crash scene showed emergency teams trying to reach the scene amid the rubble clouds of backup clouds of black smoke and flame in the background. Residents said it is not uncommon from aircraft on final approach to pass so close to building rooftops that they feel we can touch it, given the proximity of the runway. Jinnah Airport, surrounded by urban area on all sides save the north side, which lead off a scenery very similar to San Diego or Kai Tak, with jet having to pass low over urban building before landing on one of the two runway. ED Foundations Faisal Edi said at least 25 houses suffered damage due to the crash. PIA spokesman Abdullah Hafiz Khan has said that 18 houses were destroyed or badly damaged, according to the witness statement collected by the Reuters. The plane hit a mobile phone tower in the vicinity of the airport as it crashed. The details of crashed aircraft. The crashed aircraft was an Airbus A320-214 which was built in 2004 and owned by GE Capital Aviation Services. It made its maiden flight on 17 August 2004 and was leased to China Eastern Airlines as B6017. Between 2004 and 2014, it was then leased to Pakistan International Airlines by GECAS on 31st October 2014 with registration APBLD. It was powered by CFM 5655B4x P engine, which most recently installed in February and May 2019. The landing gear was installed in October 2014 and was next due for servicing and replacement after 10-year lease. The PIA's engineering department reported that the last routine maintenance check on the plane was conducted on 21 March 2020, while the most comprehensive check was last performance on 19 October 2019, during which on defects were found in its engine, landing gear or avionics. From 22 March to 7 May 2020, the plane had remained grounded owing to flight cancellation aimed at global COVID-19 pandemic. From 7th May onward, the plane had conducted 6 flights. The Civil Aviation Authority had declared the aircraft fit for flight until 5 November. The plane had operated a flight from Muscat to Lahore. On the day prior to the accident, the aircraft had logged 47,124 flights hour. Second one, details of victims. Pakistan International Airlines released details of the flight manifest which show 91 passengers, 51 men, 31 women and 91 children. There were also 8 crew members. The death toll was confirmed as 97, consisting slowly of those on board the plane but later one, those injured on the ground died. One of the passengers was an American citizen. The Pakistani model and actress Zara Abid was one of the flight passengers. Officers from the Pakistan Army and one from the Pakistan Air Force were also among the victims. Miran Yusuf, the spokesman of Sindh Health Department, he said 8 residents of the model colony were injured in the crash and most victim crops had suffered burns. Most of the injury were women and child. Faisal Idi said 25 to 30 people were hospitalized, mostly due to burn. No one in the colony has been reported to have been killed in the crash. Only a hospital had claimed to receive dead bodies to those killed on the ground. 10 days after the accident, one of injured, a 13-year-old girl, died in the hospital due to burn injury. DNA testing is being used to identify the victim. As of 1 June 2020, 84 people have been identified, 40 of them through DNA test per Sindh Health Department. Foundation has reported about 19 bodies being taken away by relatives by force from its morgue without providing proof to establish identify or waiting for identification through DNA testing. Now, details of after effect. The Sindh Minister of Health and Population's Welfare declared a state of emergency for Karachi hospital while Prime Minister Imran Khan ordered all available resources to the crash site, as did the Chief of Staff of the Pakistan Air Force. Also announced an injury while PIA was reported to have shut down its website. President Arif Alif tweeted his condolence. Public figures across Pakistan expressed their sadness and shock at the incident. Many international leaders and celebrities also sent their condolence. Pakistan had allowed domestic flights to resume following suspension during the COVID-19 pandemic 6 days early on 16th May. The crash occurred during the last day of Ramjan. Many people were accepted to travel to celebrate Eid ul-Fitr with their family. Pandemic had already stretched the healthcare resources of the city and the crash intensified with burn. Consequently, one of the two survivors was moved to public hospital in the city center instead of hospital closer to the crash site. The government announced a compensation of rupees 1 million each for the families of those killed and 5 lakh each for the two survivors. Now finally, details of investigations. Airbus, the aircraft manufacturer, announced that they will be providing assistance to take investigations as 11-member Airbus team visit the crash site on 26 May. The aircraft flight data record and cockpit voice record were recovered and flown to France. Ghulam Sawar Khan, the Federal Minister of the Aviation Division, said that the full result of the inquiry would be made available within 3 months. A preliminary investigations report published by CAA was reported to have said that the engine had scrapped the runway 3 times on the pilot's first attempt to land, causing friction and spark. Contact with the runway may have caused damage to the engine, oil tank and fuel pump. So this was details of International Airlines flight number A303. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to know more case study and forensic update. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.